How to log in onto your Samsung Pay account on your Samsung device. First, you need the Samsung Wallet application on your device in order to use the Samsung Pay feature. Go to your Play Store and at the search bar, you want to search for Samsung Wallet on Samsung Wallet. And if you can see the application over here, that means the application is available on your region or is compatible with your device. However, if it's not, you can simply go to your browser and you can search for Samsung Wallet. And if you don't have the application called Samsung Wallet, you can simply click on the official website. And to log in onto your account, you can simply click on this account icon. Click on account icon. And to log in onto your account, you can simply click on these three bars over here. And you want to scroll down and click on sign in/sign up. And by doing so, you'll be able to sign in with your Galaxy device if you want to sign in with your Galaxy device. Or you can also sign in with your account ID. Type it out your email address over here and click on next to log in into the Samsung Wallet account. After that, you'll be able to use the Samsung Pay feature inside the Samsung Wallet account. If it was helpful and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.